The market for edge AI devices that carry out facial recognition, object identification, motion tracking, OCR, and biometric applications is growing in the commercial, industrial, medical, and educational segments. However, designing and building such devices can be challenging if you have to source and validate the key components from different vendors. For example, finding the right camera for your target AI application that is compatible with the SoC on the board is not as easy as you might think and may require a lot of testing. To simplify this process, we have launched a new starter kit for the VIA SOM-9X35 module that includes everything you need to get your prototype system up and running in no time. In addition to the module, the kit comprises a 3.5-inch SBC carrier board with a rich array of I/O, wireless, and networking features, a 7-inch MIPI LCD panel plus touch panel display, a 13-megapixel camera module, and 2 speakers and a microphone. The VIA SOM-9X35 module itself is powered by a 2.0 GHz MediaTek i350 Cortex-A53 quad-core SoC with a dedicated APU, an AI processor, and digital signal processor for deep learning, neural network acceleration, and computer vision applications on Yocto 3.1 or Android 10. Graphics are provided by an ARM Mali G52 processing unit capable of handling 1600 million pixels a second at 800 MHz, and the graphics engine supports OpenGL, OpenCL, and Vulkan hardware acceleration, with H.265 and H.264 decoding up to 1080p at 60 frames a second, and there's support for Cadence 10 Silica Vision P6 and Hi-Fi 4. The front I/O has mic in, line out for audio, a micro SD slot, micro USB 2.0 OTG port, and a DIO port supporting 10 GPIO with 3.3 volt power. Rear I/O has a DC jack, though the unit can run on an optional 2-cell lithium-ion battery. There's a reset button, HDMI port, and infrared receiver. 2 USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, and a COM port for RS-232 are on the right. Internally, there's more connections with an integrated SIM card slot, optional 4G LTE adapter, mini PCIe, dual MIPI, CSI, and DSI connectors, LVDS, 2x20 pin I/O expander header, and more. The SOM-9X35 comes with board support packages for Android and Linux. Operational responsiveness is essential, and real-time data processing at the edge allows businesses to get more immediate insights from connected devices and systems. The VIA SOM-9X35 obtains data and analyzes it at the source, allowing businesses to gain insight, plan better decisions, and take action based on real-time data. The SOM-9X35 is available as a discrete module or with the VIA VAB935 carrier board, depending on your requirements. For more details on the specs, connectivity, and features of the starter kit, please visit us at viatech.com, where we offer more transportation, industrial, and smart city solutions. If you have further questions about which one is right for you, email us and we'll point you in the right direction. And please subscribe to VIA Technologies to see our future updates. Thanks for watching.